Hello students, in this video lecture you will learn about linear differential equation and especially about linear differential equation of first order and first degree. Okay, so first of all I will define what is meant by differential equation. Okay, so there are two types of differential equation. One is ordinary differential equation and second one is partial differential equation. In ordinary differential equation, ordinary derivatives are involved, and in partial differential equation, partial derivatives are involved. So we are talking about ordinary differential equation. So an equation involving dependent variable, independent variable and its derivative. So such equation is called as differential equation. So for example, dy by dx plus xy is equal to 0. This is one type of differential equation. Now let us focus on what is meant by linear. Okay, so I think you know that what is meant by linear equation in x and y. I am talking about linear equation. Now you studied all these things in high schools or secondary level. So what is meant by linear equation in x and y? So I will write here simply ax plus by is equal to c. So this is called linear equation in x and y. Now why it is called linear? There are many things. Number 1, power of x is 1. Number 2, power of y is 1. And number 3, product of x with y is not allowed in this case. And therefore it is linear in x and y. Now we use the same analogy to define linear differential equation of first order and first degree. I mention here first order and first degree. First order and first degree. Okay, so how to define differential equation which is linear in y and dy by dx. So I will write here y and dy by dx. I want to define linear differential equation which is linear in y and dy by dx. So here this y and this x, okay, they are related to each other. So here we are saying linear in x and y. Here we want to say linear in y and dy by dx. So add them. Now in this first equation, what are the coefficient of x and y and what is the right hand side? They are constants. But in this differential equation, these coefficients, they are not constants. They are functions of x. So I will write here a of x, which is a function of x. Then b of x is equal to c of x. So here a of x, b of x and c of x, they are continuous functions of x and they are defined over some interval. So let us say x belongs to I is some interval. Now I can transform this equation into this one. So dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x. Here we have assumed that we divide this differential equation by a of x. So you will get this form dy by dx plus p of x. So here p of x is b of x upon a of x and q of x is here c of x upon a of x. We are assuming that a of x is non-zero as long as x belongs to I. So this is standard form of linear differential equation of first order and first degree, and we call this as linear in y and dy by dx. But point is what? Here we simply say it is linear in y. For our convenience, we will say it is linear in y. What does it mean? Once we say it is linear in y, so it is understood that it is linear in y and dy by dx. So this is the standard form of first order first degree linear differential equation. And if you want to define linear differential equation of first order and first degree in terms of definition, so we will say that a differential equation in which degree of dependent variable is 1, degree of dependent variable, degree of its derivative of dependent variable with independent variable is 1. So degree of y is 1, degree of dy by dx is 1. See, there are three conditions. Degree of y is 1, degree of dy by dx is also 1, and here what I said, x into y is not allowed. So in this case, product of y with dy by dx is not allowed. So this is the theoretical definition of linear differential equation of first order and first degree. So this is linear in y. So one can use similar analogy to say that something is linear in x. So I will write here dx by dy plus, now interchange the role of x and y. So dx by dy plus p of y into x is equal to q of y. So this is the differential equation which is linear in x. This is linear in y, this is linear in x. Now we are going to discuss how to find out solution of linear differential equation. Okay, now I erase this part. So let us consider the standard form dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x, where p of x and q of x, they are continuous functions of x. Now how to find out solution of linear differential equation? Okay, so solution is given in terms of integrating factor. So I will write, first of all we have to find out integrating factor. I have to find out integrating factor. In short, I will say capital I followed by capital F is equal to e to the power integration of p of x into d of x, and its solution is given by y into integrating factor is equal to integration of q of x, that is the function on the right hand side, multiplied by integrating factor into dx plus c. So here c is the constant of integration. So this is final solution. So when the differential equation is given, so what is our first task? First task is what? To transform that differential equation into standard form. That is dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x. Then get the integrating factor which is given in terms of this, and finally solution, that is y into integrating factor is equal to integration of q of x into integrating factor multiplied by dx plus c. Now we will solve this example using this technique. Let us discuss one example. So solve the differential equation. Okay, I will write at the top. So solve this differential equation. Number 1, dy by dx plus y is equal to e to the power e raised to x. So first of all check that is it linear. So what is the standard form? So dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x. So this is linear differential equation and it is linear in y. And if I compare this differential equation with this one, so here p of x is 1 and q of x is e to the power e raised to x. So get the integrating factor. So integrating factor is equal to e to the power integration of p of x. So I mention here what is meant by p of x. Here p of x is 1 and q of x is e to the power e raised to x. So e to the power p of x is 1, so simply dx. So integrating factor is e to the power x. Now solution. So its solution is y into integrating factor, that is e to the power x, is equal to integration of q of x. So q of x is here e to the power e raised to x dx multiplied by integrating factor e to the power x dx plus c. Now let us solve this integral. So it is not difficult. So put e to the power x is equal to t. So e to the power x dx is dt, and so it will transform into integration of e to the power t dt plus c. So integration of e to the power t is e to the power t, and replace t by e to the power x. So plus c. So y into e to the power x. So here c is the constant of integration. So this is the solution of given differential equation. Okay, we will discuss one more example. So I erase it. Second example, solve di by dt plus 2I is equal to 10 e to the power minus 2t, and where I is equal to 0 when t is equal to 0. Condition is given to determine the arbitrary constant. In fact, this is the differential equation associated with LR circuit. Okay, so what is the differential equation for simple LR circuit? So applying Kirchhoff's voltage law, it is L into di by dt. L into di by dt. This is the voltage drop across inductor. So plus IR, voltage drop across the resistors, is equal to applied EMF, that is E. So this differential equation is in this form. Okay. Now first of all verify, is it linear? So look at this differential equation. So is it in the form of dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x? Okay. Here remember that I is dependent variable and t is independent variable. So looking at this differential equation, we can say that it is linear in I. Linear in I. Now please take care of variables, because we are habituated with y is dependent variable and x is independent variable. But here I is dependent and t is independent. So what is here? Integrating factor. Get the integrating factor. E is equal to e to the power. Now here p of t is what here? 2. So 2 into dt. So get the integrating factor, it is e to the power 2t. Now what is its solution? So solution is here I, that is dependent variable, into integrating factor e to the power 2t is equal to integration of the function on the right hand side, that is 10 e to the power minus 2t into integrating factor e to the power 2t dt plus c. So this will cancel with this. So integration of 10 dt, it is simply 10 t plus c. So I into e to the power 2t. Now we will use this condition to determine this arbitrary constant c. So when t is equal to 0, I is equal to 0. So t is 0 means this term is 0. I is 0, this term is 0. So which implies that c is equal to 0. So I will write here, which implies c is equal to 0. So therefore I into e to the power 2t is equal to 10t. So therefore I of t, I is a function of t, is equal to 10t e to the power minus 2t. So this is the solution of given differential equation. So thank you for watching this video.